How to share a file on Viviver. If you're trying to share particular files to other people using the platform of Viviver, whether they be normal image files or PDF files inside of your phone, let me show you how it is done. Open up the Viviver app and then head over to the chat or the person that you're trying to send this file to. Once you open up the chat, what you can do is tap on this plus icon which you see on the bottom left of the screen. Once you do that, you can see a couple of options. You just need to tap on the file option. Now through this section, even if you select an image, it will be sent as a file. So normally when you send a image, it will be displayed on the screen, but because I selected through the file section, it has now been sent as a file to the other person using Viviver. Now apart from images, you can do this process for every other file that you're trying to send, whether they be PDF or any other documents that you're trying to send. So just open up the gallery on your phone and then select the exact file that you're trying to send. So that's exactly how you share files on Viviver. Be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.